Get excited about the 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.